Are you curious as to what alkalized water can do for you? Well, here's 10 compelling reasons why you should be drinking alkalized water every day. 1. Weight loss. Hydration allows you to have a better workout so you can burn more calories. A recent study shows that people who started drinking alkalized water lost an average of 6 kilograms in 2 months, and the only thing they did differently was drink alkalized water. 2. Anti-aging. Alkalized water triples the antioxidant strength of vitamin C and also helps to counter-react harmful reactive oxygen species that damage DNA tissues. Combined alkalized water and vitamin C work effectively to neutralize harmful free radicals. 3. Heart health and blood pressure. Alkalized water has been shown to reduce heart pressure and lower cholesterol in people with mineral deficiencies. 4. Hydration. Research shows that alkalized water hydrates your body much better than plain water. 5. Detoxification. Alkalized water provides the body with a daily cleanse. Your kidneys will thank you as ionized trapping will draw out the acidic toxins. Your liver will say cheers as increased level of antioxidants will promote blood cleansing. Your colon will feel the difference, and so will you. 6. Balanced body pH. Research shows that raising the pH level of your urine by just 1 pH can prevent or eliminate metabolic syndrome such as obesity and high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and kidney stones. A research clinical study shows that alkalized water can fight harmful acidosis by raising the blood's pH by 40 to 70% within the normal blood pH range. 7. Liver health. Alkalized water has been shown to reduce oxidative stress in the body that affects the liver. Alkalized water has also been shown to increase critical levels of antioxidants that protect the liver. 8. Bone health. Research shows a clear link between alkalized water and bone health. When your body's pH becomes acidic, your body will adjust it by stealing calcium from your bones. 9. Digestive health. Research shows that alkalized water reduces the symptoms of colitis, loose bowels, and constipation. 10. Sports performance. Feel more hydrated with greater endurance, faster recovery, and more energy. Want to know how alkalized reduced water can help you? Please visit my website to find out more.